Welcome back, guys. So let's double check the Starknet targets updates with my customer cassette. We will double check just local one targets. Starknet ecosystem map. And guys, take a look. Everything like on a paper looks amazing. So just brilliant. So this is some ecosystem, everything should work, the payment methods, some infrastructure, the bridges, privacy, wallets, consumer and gaming, BTC, staking. So everything amazing, but it's not affect the price at all. So why, if the Starknet get a so brilliant ecosystem, why the price crash it down from I don't know, from 7.66 on the Binance to 8 cents? How is it even possible? The answer, one and only, the fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. So that's the point, guys. Of course, after the fact, when the liquidity will inflow into Starknet, into some altcoins, of course, the token will perform and everybody will say, oh, take a look. This is because of this ecosystem. Ecosystem works finally. This generated profit for us. No, it generated profit for us because of pure speculation. And the market maker put liquidity in to deliver the price to the next zones, liquidity pools. Just to hunt the stop loss and the grab liquidity because of seasonality, because of BTC dominance and all of this stuff, not because of ecosystem. So this is the main point, guys. Global targets here, this block, 44, 80, 58. It's a first trouble area where most likely we'll see the Starknet some reaction. It's exactly the weekly time frame, by the way, 49.71. It's take profit line at this current moment. The lines are dynamic because here in October, the take profit line was 71 cents. Now, after the 2 months, it's 49. So when the take profit line will be after the 2 months, it's hard to say. I add alert here, 42 cents. Maybe this line gonna be here. Who knows? Now, technically, yes, of course, we're so underrated. Technically, we so underrated. So it's for the value on the weekly, it's 18 cents 70. Buy line 25.22, and high targets. I truly believe the Starknet will hit the target over than $1. Just a matter of time. But anyway, all of this downtrend, it's so disappointing. So take a look. This is a daily. Let's focus on a daily. I add my alerts here. Maybe we will come back to this block, this one, range. We didn't retest the 0.5 level by FIB. So 0.5 level by FIB of the week candle. So we didn't. I add alerts, so maybe I will open the long position with the leverages. It's not necessary, so we should, drop to 0.5 because now we get a reaction and try hold the line around 38 level by FIB, local one. But the same story like with that one, ICP. So we're not crush it down to 0.5. If we will, 7 cents 06, 6 cents 09. So this is the targets. Do I believe we're gonna drop to 4 cents 72, 4 cents 11? I don't think so. And imagine with a so brilliant ecosystem, with so brilliant fundamental, it's a joke. We dump it from 7.66 to 2 cents. I just don't get it how still in Zone 25 people believe in fundamental and share a lot of posts about it. So argue about, oh, take a look, you don't understand the Starknet. Starknet is the future. So take a look at that ecosystem. So if ecosystem is so good, why we are dump it to 2 cents? So it means somebody sell the tokens and ecosystem can't prevent it. All right, take profit line, guys, 17.04, exit line 19.40. I believe, yes, like speculation with this move or just from current prices, we go higher. Yes, it's just a matter of time. I don't think so we're going to drop under 2 cents again. I don't think so we're going to drop to 4 cents. But for example, the Algorand with the same week, stop it around here. So just in case, guys, everything possible. 12-hour time frame. Now we try test below the buy line, 4 cents 89. For the value of this target, now it's 6 cents 47. Maybe the next year will be the good one for altcoins. We will see. Technically also on the weekly, guys, there is a lot of gaps, like this one 14 gap cents. I mean, this one 10 cents gap. This one is 35. So a lot of imbalances, right? So anyway, sooner or later, the price will be delivered to that imbalance zone to fill it. So it's just algorithm, matter of time. What we can't know, we can't know the time. So let's take a look at the ADZ direction. We are in accumulation, definitely in accumulation. Here it was distribution. Fun fact, right? Here October 6th, distribution, drop to the middle line, distribution again, accumulation. So finally, we're in the accumulation zone. Finally, also we see some momentum and accumulation from the wheels based on direction indicator. It's bullish also. We formed the huge divergence since June 24. Here, the lowest point was 45 cents. We drop it to 2 cents. And even now, this is a pure divergence. It's an extra bullish divergence, this one. So anyway, from current prices, I repeat again, or from 6 cents, I'm more about an upside trend. Direction, nothing bullish, nothing bearish, just neutral. All right, take a look at the market mode. Capitulation, total capitulation, disbelief. Nobody care about a Starknet, so it's usually the great time for accumulation. Monthly, still euphoria. It's kind of bad. Daily, total capitulation since December 10. So it's bullish. So targets, guys, entry. My entry here. This is alert to be ready. It doesn't mean it's a limit order. No, it's alert to be ready to do something, to open the chart, to track on a lower time frame. Because of course I'm not an open trader on a daily candle. No, it's just alert to be ready. Daily here, some money inflow. Yes, step by step in. Starknet weekly time frame. Yes, money in. Last time we saw the money in here. It won't help. February 17. But why? We dump it to 20 cents and nah, I can't say it's something good was. Here, maybe they build an average entry. Who knows? So here, at least 22 cents entry and 7 cents. So let's count approximately the average entry can be like, I don't know, even 15 or 13. So just be ready. Oh, maybe. So makes sense at 26 out of the break, not a break even, out with initial deposit. So be ready to out with initial deposit. What I don't like here was we saw the signals buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, drop, recommendation, close position. So it's kind of weird. And let's double check the daily. Also, what I don't like, we didn't see the take profit signal. So let's add alert, take profit from the sales. Here, sale, drop, buy back, bounce, buy, sell. No take profit signal from sales. On 12 time frame, yes. We finally, of course, saw it. So here, it was a logical short position. Technically, you could open short. It's hard to say by, let's say 10% stop loss around here, right? And take profit 66. So 20% against 120. Pretty good one. So here was the signal to buy, but we didn't see, I repeat again, the signal take profit from the sale on the daily. This is kind of scary. But even 12 time frame signal to buy, it's more than okay. Accumulate step by step if you believe in Starknet. I'm stuck in Starknet. Just to be honest, you remember my entry around 43 cents, right? So I'm waiting to out of the break even. I don't care if the Starknet will go to the $5, $10 or so. I will try out of the break even in my entry and use that stable coins for the future trades. So this is my point. This is my plan. Guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what are your thoughts about a Starknet. If you like to trade with my customer, because I was showed in this video, right? Miriam, don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.